Mary would always speak of the truth, my dear friends. But she will not just tell us the truth to scare us. She would tell us the truth, but she would also remind us God's protection is always there. In times of great distress, have confidence. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Naririyan ng Diyos. May awa ang Diyos. May pag-asa. Then she points us to the way. She points us toward the source of all graces and blessings. She points us to our true hope, Jesus, her Son, when she said, "Come to the foot of the altar. Here, graces will be given to all who ask with confidence and fervor." Mary points us to the altar of the sacrifice of the Mass to learn from Jesus what true sacrifice is. Jesus in turn tells us there is no greater love than this, to lay down one's life for his friends. Lahat tayo nakararanas ng takot, pangamba, paghihirap. All of us experience little persecutions, crucifixions, especially when we choose to live out the message of the gospel. At sa mundong ating ginagalawan ngayon, mahirap mabuhay ng matuwid, mahirap magsabi ng totoo, mahirap gawin ng tama sapagkat marami kang makakaaway na gumagawa ng kabaligtaran. Sa kalakaran ng mundo natin ngayon, na puno ng kasinungalingan, korupsyon at pagkakawatak-watak, kaya mo pa rin bang manindigan para sa totoo, tama, para sa ikababanal mo? This is the challenge that we Christians nowadays face.